Hello kids, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to learn about prepositions. Prepositions are used to describe where a noun is. In other words, prepositions tell us where a person, place, animal or thing is. Prepositions link a noun with another noun. Let us understand prepositions with the help of a game. Where is the bunny? Now look at the picture and tell me, where is the bunny? The bunny is on the egg. Here the word on tell us where is the bunny, and it's also connecting the noun bunny with another noun egg. Where is the bunny now? The bunny is in the egg. In is telling us that now the bunny is inside the egg. Where is the bunny now? The bunny is under the egg. Such a naughty bunny. It keeps changing its position. Where is the bunny now? The bunny is near the eggs. Where is the bunny now? The bunny is between the eggs. Where is the bunny now? The bunny is behind the egg. Where is the bunny? The bunny is in front of the egg. The word on, in, under, near, between, behind, in front of are all prepositions because they are telling us where is the bunny. They are telling us about the position of the bunny. And that is why prepositions are also called position words. Thank you for watching.